Hi folks, I just got my very first box delivered. I just heard the UPS guy come and they delivered my first box of my butcher block. Can't wait to open it and try it. It gives you, when you peel off the sticker, it tells you what's inside. So it says ribeye steak, ground beef, pork chops, premium steak tips, and chicken whole, organic. It's supposed to be grass-fed. So we're gonna open it together, see what we have. It comes like this in a box, and it tells, I think it was the UPS guy that brings it. Okay, nice size box. Warning, this box may contain dry ice. So there's foam. When you open this up, there's a package of foam. I'm gonna move this over here. There's Bella. She's checking out. She says, what came in what did the guy deliver? We got some meat? Yeah, Bella, we got some meat. There's some cardboard. Okay, the first thing that comes in here, ooh, that's cold. Grass-fed ground beef. Butcher block. Okay, so I get the same thing like this at Aldi's. So this was a variety, my first box. I got a coupon from Wayne's cousin, my husband's cousin, for $30 off. So I got all this for $100. This is a whole chicken. So this chicken, you saw how I did the chicken video. This usually costs like almost $10. And this is like 5 and 5. So far we're at $10, $20. Let's see if it's worth it. This is boneless pork loin chops. I don't know how many this is. I think there's 2 and 2. What does it say? 4. Okay, so there's 4. 2 and 2. That's nice because there's only the 2 of us, so that's nice. What else do we have in here? This is grass-fed beef ribeye steaks. So that's cool. 2 of those. And those, so far we're pretty good with our budget. And then this right here, grass-fed beef steak tips. So that's cool. I think she makes roast beef or pot roast. I don't know. Beef stew out of that. Steak tips. Oh, they give you 2 steak tips. Wow. That's pretty cool. So it looks, everything's in 2. 2 and 2 and 2 and a whole chicken and 2 steaks. And then the very bottom, you gotta be careful. I don't want to get this, is the, I'll stand back here so I can show you. 2 bags of dry ice. I'm going to dump that outside. So, in a real thick box. Look how thick that box is. So, overall, we said this was 10. This was 20. Probably, I don't know, another 30. And then 40, 50, 60, 70. I don't know. I could have probably got it cheaper than the $100. So I'll have to check back with you and let you know. But anyway, this was a cute surprise. Thanks for viewing.